This is the BigMouth 26-liter bag. Super durable, super tough. The outer shell is made of 100% recycled nylon canvas. On the front, you'll see you have these nylon webbing for your carabiners. It also comes with the front pouch, storage pouch. On the bottom, you have these straps for your bedroll, towel, or accoutrements, if you will. It's called the BigMouth because of the BigMouth storage. It's got one single BigMouth storage compartment. The accordion gussets here allow you to put water bottles on both sides. Inside has a book organizer. On the outside flap, it's got a mesh compartment. Up top, you've got another zip compartment. Signature padding on the back. On the side, laptop. This is your BigMouth backpack.